Okay. So we have designed this part. The India decides to hike a tariff on 29 US goods and till here. And today we will design these boxes, right? The Tendulkar's shoes, Australian bat, firm over 2 million in Royal. What is this? Okay, whatever. $2 million. Okay. So we have some headlines here, right? So we'll try to do this. Okay. So how you do that? Let's have this control little minus noise. We'll go back to Photoshop, all tabs. Okay. Then what we will do, we'll make a box here. We'll take the tool here over here. I will make this tool like this. Okay. Here we have the rectangle tool. Okay. And if you see here, okay, we have two box and one rectangle, one square and one rectangle, you can see. Okay, let's try to make that shape. Now take the rectangle and then this keep a gap here and then try to make a box like this. Silhouette. Like this, and then so no problem. Okay, if you have done in a black color field, so no problem. This is done. Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, we are recording a video, so I kept all of you mute. Okay. See, this is done, and what you can do is here, if I alt tab this one, you see Tendulkar with a PNG file, and if you see here, there is a gradient over here. So if you want that gradient effect, you can go here, simply click on this gradient, where here the color bucket gradient tool. Okay, if you click here, you will get the gradient. Okay, you can give any gradient of your own, like, for example, black to red. You will click here in this color stop and then click in this white color and then take a red color like this. Okay, done. And then press OK here also, and then you can drag from up to down gradient. Sorry, not here. Rectangle 4 is selected, right? You have to go press this that shape tool. Then here you will have that option, fill, and then click in this gradient, the second one. Click here. See, it came here. Take this and you can click here and simply change the color. See how I did this? Simply you used to click here, right? The fill color, and if you want a gradient, you have to click here in this, and this is the pattern. If this is the gradient, and for example you have you want two colors, then this is the black and white. You can choose this, and then you can change this colors by just clicking in this gradient editor. Just click here, gradient editor, in this box. Okay, this is the box. If you click here, it will come out here. So here you can change the color. Just click on this and click on this color box, and then click here. OK. Okay, press OK here also. See, this came. Right? You can adjust it by simply dragging from here like this. Oh, sorry. Fine. Okay. Now you need to bring the image. Like if I go here, I will go to Chrome, tab, and I will press a new tab, Control T, and then I will type Sachin Tendulkar. PNG image. I will try PNG image. Okay. And if you copy and the paste, just like we do in the with the JPEG file, it won't come. Okay, so you have to first download this, then you have to bring it back. For example, let's try this image. If it is PNG, PNG, yeah, it is a PNG image, right? So let's right click this, save images. We are not copying this. You can't copy PNG image. You can copy PNG image, but it will be not PNG anymore. Okay, let's download this somewhere else. I will download this in desktop multimedia too. Let's type this as Sachin PNG. Enter. Okay, then fine. I will go back to Photoshop, and then I will minimize, and then yeah, I will minimize Photoshop, minimize Chrome, and then I will go to Multimedia 2 folder. Then I will bring the Sachin's image. Babe. Where I have this Multimedia 2, right? Here we go. We have the Sachin image here. Alright. We'll drag and drop this. Drag and drop Photoshop. And then put it here. We'll make this a small aspect ratio, and then don't forget to click that aspect ratio. Okay. See? Now right click here and flip horizontal like this. It's nice. You can adjust the size little more bigger if you want. Very lovely. So if this happens, what you do, just right click, click vertical. Okay, it's done. Enter. Fine. So this is done. So make sure you do this clipping mask to this. Okay, let's type this Sachin frame. Frame. Enter. And Sachin PNG is there, right? Right click in this and create clipping mask. Okay, so that it won't go out. That means if you move Sachin, select the move tool, and if you move Sachin, it won't be visible outside this frame. Sachin is moving inside this frame only, right? It is the feature of clipping mask. Fine. This is done. Then do one more thing is that select this, Control Z, and then this you want. Okay, this you want, just move to move it. Move it properly like this. A small gap. Little back. I think this is enough. Control T and then bring it till here. Okay. Fine. Okay, you are not going outside this safety margin. Okay, anyway, you are not going out this safety margin. You have to inside this safety margin. So what we have, let's see. Mail in the, okay, fine. See, can you see there is a frame inside that this one? I think this is what it is written. Some crowd are there, right? I am not a terrorist. I am a doctor, and I don't. Okay, fine. Patients were hit hard in Delhi as most OPDs were shut. Okay. So what you can do, how to create this kind of this one. Okay. So let's type this. Search the image in the Google. Before that, what you need to do is you need to make a frame over here. Let's go back to Photoshop. Okay. We'll draw one more. Let's type this as protest. Okay, this is the protest, and I think so many layers came, so I will try to group this for you. I will group all this. Okay, this is the design we did this, the rectangle, and this the protest one. Sachin Tendulkar frame is this, and the protest frame is this, right? Here you will have need one more frame, that is simply drag here, because you just keep it like this, so no problem. And I change the color to any color you want. Okay, any color you want. Let's keep it for now. Why? Because this is just a frame. It the color doesn't matter, because we will do clipping mask on it. But we need a frame here. If you can see here, there is a white border, right, in the frame, just like a photocopy, right? So how we do that? You just go here and then go to effects, and then go here in the stroke. Where is the stroke? Here we have a stroke, the third one. Okay, if you click on the stroke, you will get the color here. Color is there. Color, take a white color. Okay. If you take the white color, it's already came. Then outside is there, make it inside. Okay, and then make the size bigger. See, size is almost 15 or 16. Okay, so no problem, it's very simple. Okay, so this came. Control T, and you can adjust the size, and you can rotate a little bit so that it looks like this. See? Okay, and you can adjust the size, right? Enter. I think it's done. Now what happens if you bring the image, for example, Control T, and then you type protest. PNG or image. If you type, I think it will supposed to come here. So image, you can add, since we don't have that picture, right, so we can have any image, right? Or else we can search the same thing. Here it have the Bengal doctor protest triple cities all India. Sorry? Yeah, ma'am, tell me. Yeah, I have taken that. Protest images. And you can simply, protest. protest images. Yeah. I mean these pictures I'm searching. Okay. Or you can simply type here Bengal doctors protest crippled cities. Okay. You can go for this news also. It will be updated in this one. Bengal doctor protest. Okay. You can simply go here and then can you keep mute, ma'am, again? Okay. So I will. The headline was Bengal doctor protest, right? Bengal doctor protest. Some footage will be there, I guess. See, images. We'll go to images. See, the same thing we got this. See, this is the same image, right? If I click here, see here. Oops, sorry. Once again. Correct. So this is the image, right? All of you can see this is the same image which is in the newspaper, right? Right click, copy image, okay, and then go back to Photoshop and then just paste it, Ctrl V. Okay, I think it's already there. Now just click this mask, right click and clipping mask, create clipping mask, Ctrl T, and aspect ratio should be clicked, and adjust the size, make it big, the same size, and then I think you can see back to this mail today. Okay, fine, we'll make it a little more big, and we can rotate this little bit like this. See? Right? Fine. Enter. Done? Done. And then what is left here? The text is left, right? You can start the typing here. How to start the text? Okay. Text we will write on top. Okay. Let's group this all. Control Z. Okay. This design is done. The remaining is the text, right? Text tool. Just click here outside, then bring it back here. Okay, so you can move around this part. And what is in the text? Tendulkar Swiss Australian bat. Okay, size is 18 or 14. Okay, caps lock on, and we'll go Arial or Myriad Pro, and then here you go for condensed, or if you go here, go to Arial, once again, fine, Arial, enter, and then regular, fine. So start typing Tendulkar. Swiss. What is that? Australian bat. Enter. You can adjust later, okay, but just type it first. Then we will adjust it later. Australian bat. All tab, firm over, enter firm over $2 million in royalties. Dollar ఇక్కడ ఉంది shift పట్టుకో 4 space 2 million 2 mn mn I don't know what is mn million or don't know mn enter in royalties in enter royalties. Okay, now see here, if I zoom this for you and then control enter, let's focus here. See, if you see here, the typography, the arranging of text is different, right? Tendulkar, Swiss, right, everything is aligned. This is left alignment here, but we can make this text little more bigger. I think Control A and 30. It's very big. 18. 18 is good, I guess. Fine. So we'll try to make this first right alignment. Okay. Control enter. Move this. Okay, right alignment. Okay, we did right alignment, and then here royalties, it is not right alignment. This is this should be right. Okay, fine. If this is not going, this Control X, Control enter. You can do one more thing, is that simply click here, Control enter, move to, and then move it. It's properly aligned now. Fine. What you can do there, and there is one more thing is there. Report on page 28. So how you do that? Just go here, right click, ellipse tool, go here, circle is clicked, enter, then just make a circle over here and then change the color. Let's make it a light gray. Okay, move to, and then let's move this up. And then we have effects here. We'll go a stroke. Then let's make the stroke color like this, white. Okay. See, we have a stroke, and you can make the stroke a little big. Okay. So how you write the text now? Text tool. Just click on the outside and bring it back here, and then white color, it's already there. So what it is written? It's written report on page 28. There is a typography here. So let's go for bold, and the size is 18. Record on, enter, on. Control A. This is should be left alignment. Okay. Report on. And the size is very big, so we'll go here and go back to 14 or 12. It's also big. Okay. Move tool. Okay. I think we have to make this little more small. Control A. Let's go to 10. Okay, and then the black. I think this is fine. And then what is this written? It's written on page 28. Let's type that also. Click here outside and click here 8 to 9. You can type page enter 28. But we'll make this Control A and then regular like this. Control enter. Move to this side. Okay. And we can rotate it little bit. Control, see both this report and this one. I will select both this. Control C, and simply you can rotate it clockwise like this. Done. Beautiful. How it looks like this. Okay. Then we'll design the other part, the bitter pill, Bengal doctors, shortage, triple cities, all India like that. Okay. We'll just type. It's very simple. It's just about text, arranging the text. I'll bring this. Let's make this 30, and I will type BITTR pill. Right? See the alignment and the text. Okay. We'll go for 36. Sorry, Control Enter, Control A, 36. I think 36 is a better size. And then you can search for another text if you want. I think Arial will be better. Arial bold or black. Control Enter. Move tool and move it down, and just type the subheadings, right? Bengal doctors protest. So all this typing part you can do yourself right now. Let's type it. So let's make it around 12 or 14. Bengal doctors protest triple cities. Protest triple cities. All India IMA strike on Monday. All India IMA strikes on Monday. Fine. Control A करेगा and we'll make it regular size. We can make it little more bigger. I think this is the size. इसको हटाएगा and we will adjust according to it. Bengal protest. After protest we need and enter. So what we did mistake is that we didn't create this rectangle. For example, if I do like this, Control A, Control X करेगा, most probably. Text tool लेगा. Okay, always make a line like this so that you can adjust it more better like this. Okay, till here you want the text till here means you first draw a line like this. Okay. Then you change it. Okay, 24 is okay, regular is okay, Arial is okay, fine. Then you paste it, just Control V. Okay, and paste means type it there. Protest report. Okay. Protest. Oh. Okay. If you go a little bit here, yeah. Oh, protest triple cities. All India IMA. Exactly now. Okay. IMA strikes on Monday. We'll add that on Monday. On Monday. Done. Fine. Control enter. And then I think we have to adjust this photo a little bit because we have a tag line down here also. A little bit. So where we have to go here? And, this one. Down here. Where is that? Yeah, I think this is the protest. This we have to adjust a little bit. This one and this one. Control C. And then make it a little small. Enter. So I will send the image of this. All of you can try till here. Otherwise, it will be a very long video. Although it looks very small, but it takes time, right? Okay. So I think till here it is okay. Or shall we go ahead? I will send this one. I will send this reference. Okay. We'll go here. Right click. Copy image. Save as. It's a web page, so it cannot be this one. Right click, copy image. Copy image is also not possible. Otherwise, I will send the link of this. Okay, view page source inspect. How do we do this? Forward. Okay. So many things are there, right? Okay, let's complete it. Fine. It's okay. This much is done, and the small texts are there, like subheadings are there. Patients were hit hard in Delhi as most OPDs were shut. The same thing we have to type there. Simply you can go for lorem ipsum also. So in order to do this, just always try with this. Okay, just drag like this. So here you want the text, and I think here in this case you want the 12 size and the white color. Okay, then just type it. Where hit hard in the lake. Where hit hard in the lake. That's most BPD. Were shut. Were shut. It won't be visible. It will be visible only when you drag from here. Okay. I think this is done. Full stop will be there. Okay. Control enter. That's it. The page number you have to mention that. See page. This one. Control Z. Control enter. Control Z. Enter. I'll just double click on this. And then I will type pages. Six to seven. Control enter. Move to. I think the size is very big. That is correct. It should be outside. And this we can make it bold. Size. Fine. Control S कर देते हैं. Next, what we have is the big image. Control 0. Control minus. Control 0. If you see here, it's almost half. Okay. Fine. Imran once talks Modi. Says shut terror up. How to do this? Let's download one image of Modi. Modi images. Enter. to image, which image you want. Others I will delete. Imran wants of my any image you can go for it, right? Let's okay. If you see in this image, one part it is edited. Okay, one part it's dark and the other part we have the Mori, but it seems the same image. How you do that? Last time we did for the magazine cover, right? We will do the same thing here also. Okay, so I will let's first download this image. Okay, or else just create a rectangle first, Control 0, and then yeah, we'll create a rectangle over here. Control 0. Rectangle bole to shape tool. It's fine, I guess. Like this. Move tool and then adjust the gap exactly the same. Okay. And what you can do is you can put some stroke effects, stroke. Then let's put a kind of red color because white will be not visible. Okay, and then let's make it inside and make it like this. This is enough. Then you can bring this up सबसे ऊपर लेके आएंगे. Okay, others, keep on grouping the others. It won't disturb you from the design. Okay. Okay, from here we will start. This is the rectangle, right? We will download the image. Which image we will download? You can download any image. Let's download this image. Okay. Right click and copy image we will do. We'll go back to Photoshop and Control V. Then we will try to we'll do clipping mask here. Control C, and then we will hold the aspect ratio, and then we'll adjust the size. Okay. Or else we will do right click and horizontal. Oh, so that the flag is here. Right, flag will be visible. So no need to worry now. last class what we did, that we did some clipping mask, sorry, not clipping mask, layer mask. We'll do the same thing. Yeah, okay. Then this, what I did click here in this, if I show here, you have, okay, fine. So where I clicked is that layer mask, not layer mask, yeah, layer mask, okay, yeah. Just I will click here, and here one box came, the thumbnail came. We'll just put a black color here. Take a black color and alt backspace to fill it, okay. And then the same thing we'll do here is we'll take the brush tool, and then we'll click here and we'll take a soft brush, okay. And caps lock should be off, and then a right bracket to make it big, and then we'll take a white color now, yeah, white color, okay, or simply press D, and then opacity, let's make it less, and then just draw over here. I will come back. Let's make our opacity a little big, 100%, and the size little bigger. Make it clear this part. Okay, only the right part will be having text now, that's why. Okay, don't go too right. See, you can have the text there. Okay, this part is brighter because we are not having any text here. Fine. Then we can have the text like this. This is the same way what we did in the book cover design. Yes. Chappandi. Charging नहीं है. Charging करो. Time हो गया. क्या हो गया? शटडाउन नहीं हो रहा. हाँ तो चार्जिंग करो ना होगा. Okay, now see here. Okay, Pearl, I'm recording. Fine. So now what we will do? We have the text, right? Imran wants to talk. Where is to? No, there. Talk. Modi says shut error up. Okay. Fine. So we'll select the text tool. Just click here. From here to here. Again. Fine. Okay, then we will take the white color. Okay, fine. Then the size is 36. Okay, fine. First let's type this. Okay, Imran 1, right, space 1, enter. Or we have talks, comma, what we have, Modi says shut terror up. Modi, where is, okay, says enter. start, enter, terror, up. Right? This is the text we have. Let's zoom this and we will see if we can adjust the same way. Control, see what kind of text. Okay, fine. Control A, and we will search for another text, similar kind of text. I think this we can use, or else let's see from here directly. Let's see on the simple. Oh yeah. No, better to go like this one. I think this is also fine, I guess. Right? Bold and also fine. Tick mark, move tool, and then you can move it. And let's see what alignment they did. This is also right alignment. So once you do again, click here, Control A, right alignment, Control Enter, move to, move it back here. See, it's nice, and I think you can make it more big. That means Control P, you can use the Control P, hold the aspect ratio, and then you can make it big. That's must be according to the space you can make it big, right? Done. Then down here we have text again. Countries sponsoring. Okay. Countries sponsoring. Text tool again. Make a box like this. Then size make it 12. Okay. And then make this Arial, first Arial, and then start typing. Control A, let's make it left alignment. Comma. Aiding and funding. What is this? Aiding and funding. Okay. Terrorism must be held. Let's do this. Control plus. Enter. Aiding and funding. Enter. Terrorism. Terrorism must be end. Must be end. Right? Oh, sorry. Must be held accountable. Must be held. Answer. SCOUN. Yes. Accountable. Countries will have to come out of their narrow. Countries. I think all. Oh, I did type all in this one. Control C. No problem. Okay. Constraint. Sponsor. How I'm doing this? All tab. Okay. Sponsoring all tab. Aiding and funding. Terror. Must be house accountable. Countries will have to come out of their will have to come out of their narrow purview of their narrow purview to unite against terrorism. To enter unite against terrorism. I think done. So we stop enter. Fine. Down there you have Control N. Control A, and we'll make it bold. Okay, like this. And I think the text will be more bigger, around 18. Control Enter, and yes. I think this is we can keep here, right? Then that one more thing we have to edit the apostrophe comma. How we did it? We will take another text tool. This text tool. Okay, and just click here. Anywhere, just click outside. Sorry, enter. Just click in the blank space. Okay, like this, and make it 72. And the 6 పట్టుకో ఇక్కడ like this. Control Enter, Control T, and make it big. Let's see how big it is. Okay, just make it big. Aspect ratio, height. You are having problem. Sorry, height should be fixed. And make it big like this. Control Enter, move to, and okay. I think the font should be little different. It is a circle. Let's take another. I think this is also good. Click in this box and then keep on searching. I think this is fine. Enter, Control Enter. Move to. Okay. Now which font this is, I will show you. Let's click back in this text tool, and then this is Baskerville Old. Okay, then do just one thing, is that Control Z, Control T, and then right click. See, we have the close end, right click, and then the flip vertical and the horizontal, and the horizontal. That's it. I think it's done. Control Enter. Move it up. And the other one also. Move it little down. So this is done, and then a smaller Narendra Modi Prime Minister. Down there we have. Okay, there we have. Make it small, 9, and dash, and then type. Down here we have Prime Minister. प्राइम मिनिस्टर को सेलेक्ट करो, then okay, fine, it is done. We'll make it Arial black, and then we'll bring this exactly the same. Make this Narendra Modi bold. That's it. Control Enter. Control C. So it's done. And the last thing, I guess the video will be very long. No problem. Next, Modi 6 action. Okay. Fine. Till here it is done. Otherwise, the video will be very long. I will continue. You try to design till here, and just if you want, if you complete, just click a photo and then share in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Otherwise, all of you start by now.